So this is the continuation of the leadership dimensions. We have explained four type of leadership dimension, and this is the fifth one, which is humble leader features. Those who haven't seen the previous video, please go through that video and come to this. Okay, and for humble leader features also, they have a lot of goals like stability, reliable output or reliable outcome, a calm environment, are all their goals. And they influence others by diplomacy, self control, humility, etc. They judge others by their reliability and the precise standards. They have the fear of emotionally charged situations, time pressure, and chaos. These are the features of humble leadership quality. Next, I'm going through another type of leadership dimension, that is dynamic leader features. That is deliberate leader features. Deliberate leader features. This type of leaders have the goals of accuracy, and they influence others through logic and exacting standards. They judge others by their systematic process, or how they do a process, the systematic process and expertise. They are always, I think, this type of leaders are always oriented to task. So they have a fear of being wrong, a strong display of emotions. And next one is resolute leadership style features. Resolute leader features. They have the goal of independence, efficient result. They want their own freedom. They want an efficient result. And they influence others by high standards as well as strict standards, and also by their strong determination. They judge others by their common sense and use of logic, as well as their competence. And they have a fear of failure to achieve standard, as well as a lack of control. They have a fear whether they will be failing, because their independent ultimate aim or how they influence is by they are always trying to keep a high standard or a strict standard. So they always have a fear that whether I will lose to achieve the standard required, and at the same time whether I will lack control. These are all the fears of resolute type leaders. And the last one is the commanding leadership features. These commanding leader features, they have a goal of victory is their ultimate aim and ultimate goal. For this they wanted result from the bottom line itself. Bottom line results is also their important goal. They want a bottom line result. So actually okay, fine. Then they want efficient results. These are their aims or goals. They influence others by their by their insistence, competition, and assertiveness. Actually this type of leaders are really very very strict leaders. They always insist, they have a strong assertiveness, they have a competitive mind and all. They always judge others by this competence itself. Competence and the ability to achieve, and on the basis of the ability to achieve result. They have a fear of appearing weak. They don't want others to see them as weak. So they have a fear of appearing weak. At the same time they have a fear of being taken advantage of. They have fear whether others are taking the advantage of them. So these are the commanding leadership dimensions. So this is another important portion. Please, many times many questions have been asked in the university exam related to dimensions of leadership. Please go through the notes which I have given you, which I have shared with you.